Hello, English learners. Welcome back to TESOL Tutor. Today we have a lively lesson for beginners where we're going to explore the world of interjections. Interjections are like the emotions in our sentences, allowing us to express surprise, joy, frustration, and more. In this video, we'll learn what interjections are, the different types, and how to use them to add emotion and authenticity to your English conversations. Let's jump right into the world of interjections. First, let's understand what interjections are. Interjections are short, often one-word expressions that convey strong emotions or reactions. They're like the colorful fireworks in our language, adding excitement and personality to our speech. For instance, instead of saying, "I'm surprised," you can say "wow," where wow is an interjection that conveys surprise. Interjections come in various forms, and today we'll explore some common ones. Wow expresses surprise or amazement. Yay conveys happiness or excitement. Ouch shows pain or discomfort. Oops acknowledges a mistake. Uh-oh indicates concern or realization. Using interjections helps us communicate our emotions and reactions more vividly. Interjections are often used at the beginning or middle of a sentence to express a sudden emotion. Wow, that's incredible! They can also stand alone as exclamatory sentences. Yay! Let's address a couple of common mistakes beginners make when using interjections. Common mistake 1. Overusing interjections. Avoid overusing interjections. They should be used sparingly for emphasis. Correct, wow, that's amazing. Incorrect, wow, that's amazing. Common mistake 2. Using inappropriate interjections. Choose the right interjection for the situation. Some interjections are for positive emotions, while others express negative ones. Correct, yay, I passed the test. Incorrect, ouch, I passed the test. It's practice time. I'll give you sentences with interjections and you can repeat. Hurrah, Canada won the game. Ah, my sister has got first division. Yay, sweets will be distributed in the school. Wow, this car looks beautiful. Alas, he couldn't pass the examination. Ew, this looks so dirty. Oops, I missed my documents at home. Ouch, I fell off my bicycle. Sorry, I can't lend you money. Great job, beginners. You've explored the world of interjections and learned how to express your emotions and reactions more vividly in English. Keep practicing with activities on the TESOL Tutor app at tesoltutor.ca, and you'll soon be able to add an extra layer of authenticity to your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL content. If you have questions or need further practice, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!